Forecasting in gDoc 2.0. How to forecast a parliamentary document in gDoc 2.0. UN staff sign in with your un.org email address. External clients can sign in with username and password. Click on Forecast. Click on Create Forecast. Select Forecast Type and Document Type. In step 1, add budget type, consulting officer, and authorizer. If you don't have the staff names, click on To be confirmed. Click Next. In step 2, add the organ and meeting session if it is a meeting-related document. You can use the spyglass/loupe icon to search for organ and meeting. Click Next. In step 3, fill mandatory fields title, marked by an asterisk. If it is an RB document, then mandate and mandate URL is required as well. Click Next. In step 4, fill in original version and destination languages, plus any additional services. Click Next. In step 5, fill in mandatory fields, submission date and issuance date, plus word count. In step 6, the summary. Check Page and click Submit. Your forecast is now with Document Control section. Thank you. See you in the next gDoc 2.0 tutorial.